When you are working on a new site or you need to do some maintenance, you need to use system pages, and there are a few other to be aware of. Go to the Content Management System dashboard and select Project Settings in the bottom left-hand corner. In the toolbar at the top, go over to System Pages. In total, there are 5 pages. Your Coming Soon, Maintenance, your 404 page not found, Protected Project, as well as Reset Password page. Activate or deactivate the system pages, and once you have done so, go and set up the page by click on Edit Page. This takes you into the builder as you know it. A default system page is created for you, but you have the option, of course, to delete this block and go ahead and create yours from scratch.